How y'all doing, everybody? I'm out here in Windy City, one of the biggest filming industry environments in Atlanta, besides the Tyler Perry location that was established first. This one was second. I think they might have a couple more spread amongst the others. But we're out here, and we're out here for a productive reason. Most of those funds, like for filming and actors, taxes are collected for them to film, and they're reimbursed after the income and the revenue come in from the movie to build up that community again in the environments where the people were in the movies or the concepts came from to the script and write the movie. So we're in the process of another basketball movie. You see I have my basketball tournament outfit on, and we're going to pass out more, and we're just going to try to get a skyscraper built down here next in Windy City. We're just going for the stars. And when we say the stars, we mean the celebrities. I just wanted to, do a nice little video that y'all see. My gold carrot Jordan hat, nice, pretty material, jewelry, watch, ring, earring, glasses, a lot of this bezel diamonds, facet diamonds, bezeled out. Has a purple Jumpman, just like There Are No Children Here movie. This is his original movie colors, Jordan, from the movie titled There Are No Children Here. You will see him in the cask. He's a purple person, and when it comes to his colors, so we're about to do another basketball movie, and I just wanted to let you know what the colors and the name and the meaning behind what we're doing really represents. And like to tell everybody out there in TV land, we in baby Hollywood of the South land, and we're gonna try to make ourselves proud as well as the viewers. We'll get ready to holler at y'all. Y'all take it easy. Bye.